While downloading a data from the web application or website, you may encounter this problem. The data came in this format. If you observe, first four are column names and rest are their respective values. So what I want to transform this data in particular table which can give me a specific information. So if you see this required output, it is the same data that you have in column A. So what I need to do, I need to copy paste a value and transform one by one for the limited data. However, if the data is huge, I need to write a macro. But in Microsoft 2024, there is a new functions has been introduced which will transform the data in this table. So let's write down the function. It is WrapRows. There are two required parameters. One is vector. Vector is nothing but a data. I want to transform this data in this table, comma, second wrap count. I want to transform this data in how many columns. So if you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 headings. So basically, I have to transform this data in 4 different columns. I'll write it down 4, bracket complete, press enter. It has transformed the data, items, quantity, date of purchase. We need to change the format, and amount. Again, we need to apply a different format for the amount. In that way, you can wrap the columns. So the data has been transformed row wise. However, in wrap column, it distributes the data column wise. We'll write a function is equal to wrap columns. I will select the column. I want to transform this data, or I want to split this data in a group of 5 because we have 5 cities highlighted here. So I'll write down comma 5 and enter. If you see, the data has been split column wise in a group of 5 because we have mentioned that I want to split the data in 5 columns. So city has been transformed to column E, and in the group of 5 this number has been transformed to the respective columns. So in that way you can use a wrap column or wrap rows to transform the data. For this kind of tips, please follow our channel, share with your friends, and like the video if it is useful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.